Hello everyone, hold your buns 180 degrees to the right and have a very beautiful hairpin attached from left to right and secure it on the opposite direction. Then have a rubber band attach the bottom middle part of the tail and stuff it and push it inward downwards by having a little hairpin. Split your bunch into two and have a rubber band attach the top part of it and have a loop in the middle one, drop the tail into it and scrunch and make it into a lump and have a rubber band attach securing it. Then have a rubber band attach the bottom middle part of the tail and have a loop in the middle one and drop the tail into it and make the entire loop come around the first lump we had and split the tail into two parts and have it come at the bottom and secure it with the rubber band and stuff it inside the bun. Tie your hair in the middle and drop it inside going for a twister band with the remaining hair, make a ponytail and have a rubber band attach the bottom middle part of it and have a loop in the middle one, drop the tail into it and move the tail to the top and attach it to a second rubber band and have the heart and shape move to the top and secure it there by having a beautiful hairpin from your collection. Tie your hair in the middle and have a 3-in-1 hair clutcher attached to it. Then twist the middle section of the hair and have the second clutcher and the right section into the first clutcher and the left section to the third clutcher. Then have a rubber band attach the top middle part of the tail and push it down and have it attach the last loop part of the rubber band and have it even more further by having a big black hairpin. Braid the top part of your ponytail and have a rubber band attached to it, making it as a lump. Then have another rubber band attached to the middle part of your ponytail and create a loop out of the middle one, drop the tail into it and make the entire loop come around the first lump we had and secure it underneath the bun. Have a very beautiful hairpin. Make a bunch out of your beautiful hair and create a lump and have it secure with a rubber band and have another rubber band attached to the bottom middle part of your tail and stuff the tail into the middle one and move the entire bun to the top, covering the lump and having it secured with a lovely hairpin from your collection and stretch the bun for a little volume. Have a 3-in-1 hair clutcher attached on top of your ponytail and twist the middle section of the tail and have it to the second clutcher and the right section into the third clutcher and the left section to the first clutcher. Then have a rubber band attached to the tip of your ponytail and stuff the tip inside the last loop of the rubber band and push it even more downwards by having a very big black hairpin. Tie your hair in the middle and drop it inside going for the twister pan and the remaining hair, make a ponytail and split them into two parts and have a rubber band attach the middle part and make a loop in the middle one and drop the tail into it, making a twister pan and combine them both with a common rubber band and stuff the tail into the middle one, making it as a bun and move the entire bun to the top and have it secured by having a very beautiful hairpin of your choice from bottom to top. Then have a colorful hair clip collection. Save the left section of the hair for later and have the bottom section of the hair split them into three parts and have it braid in a very thicker manner and secure the ends with a rubber band and roll the braid and make it to the top and making it as a hair bun and have a very big black hairpin secured in position. Then bring the left section back and have a rubber band attach the middle part of it and stuff the tail into the middle one and have it even more downwards by having a very big black hairpin. Twist the right section of the hair and attach a 3-in-1 hair clutcher and have the left side of the top section of the hair and attach it to the third clutcher and the section right below that to the second clutcher and the section right below that to the first clutcher and leave the remaining hair as such. Grab your hair from the sides and tie it in the right middle and drop it inside going for a twister band and have a ponytail out of the remaining section of the hair and have a rubber band attach the bottom middle part of it and stuff the tail into the last loop of the rubber band and have a very beautiful hairpin stuffed into a rubber band and make it to the top and secure it position. Grab the entire side section of your hair and have it into a thicker braid and draw it to the top and make it into a bun. Then have a very beautiful toothed hair clutcher and have it secured from right to left and close it to have a lovely collection of it. Make a ponytail and have a rubber band attach the bottom middle part of it and stuff the tail into the last loop of the rubber band and push the tail into the middle one and stretch the middle one as a bun and move the bun to the top and secure their position by having a very beautiful hairpin attaching it. Twist your gorgeous hair on your index finger, making it as a hair roll and secure its position by having a toothed hair clutcher. Drop the ponytail into its own loop and have a twisted band and have a rubber band attach the bottom middle part of it and stuff the tail into the middle one with the last loop of the rubber band, move the bun to the top and have it secure with a lovely hair clutcher. Fix a 3-in-1 hair clutcher onto your hair and have the left side of the top section of the hair attached to the second clutcher and do the right side on the second clutcher itself. Then have the latter section of the hair to the left right below the first one to the first clutcher and do the same vice versa on the opposite side. Thank you guys for watching this video.